Ho, 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 and welcome. My name is Esteban Mercado, and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer, the holiday edition. Have you ever wanted to keep track of all the major changes that take place in your ProPricer environment? Well, I have a present for you. Today, we're going to cover the changelog and how it can be used to record all system-wide events in ProPricer, including the creation, deletion, and movement of proposals, tables, and folders. However, smaller changes to proposals at the task level and resource level are not included in this log. The changelog can be accessed by navigating over to the Miscellaneous tab in the ribbon, then selecting the changelog option. I should note that before the changelog can be utilized, a user with the necessary permissions must enable the changelog in the system options. Once the changelog has been enabled and qualifying events have taken place, you can view different bits of information about these events by clicking the Find button here. You can now view things like date and time of the event, the action that was performed, the username of the person who performed the action, and more. To view all the events that have taken place, you can leave this top grid empty before selecting Find, like we just did. Or, if you'd like to narrow the scope of the events that you're searching for, you can apply a filter. The changelog can be filtered to show events from a specific day, events by a specific user, events by a specific type of action, and even events that affect a specific type of item. The changelog can also be filtered with any combination of these filters that you'd like. The changelog is a useful tool that will help you keep track of all the big events happening in your ProPricer environment so you can continue to price with confidence. Let's quickly review what we've covered today. We looked at the very important feature called changelog and showed you how to enable it. We also looked at how the changelog can be filtered to show you all different types of information about the big events that take place in ProPricer. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any questions, or maybe even some tips and tricks of your own, we encourage you to post them in the community forum on the ProPricer Support Portal website. Again, my name is Esteban Mercado, and thanks for watching. Happy holidays!